Hello, my name is Mrinalini. So I had joined this 4-day weekend program on screenwriting and film direction in LV Prasad Academy. Since I come from a different background, my professional background is totally disconnected from film or cinema, I found it very interesting to attend this workshop where we learned from scratch on how to ideate, come up with stories and convert these stories into scenes or come up with the script and dialogues. We also were introduced to screenplay writing where we did an exercise. So it was a theory with practical together, which gave us a lot of information on the technical side of writing a story, which story not like narration but also the technicalities involved in writing. And apart from that, we were also given a task to shoot a 10-shot film. So this gave us another side of filmmaking and direction and how to visualize a scene, what we write in a story. So overall this 4-day experience was great, and I think I have learned a lot from where I came from and to what I am now after 4th day. This is immense information that I have, and it has given me a constructive channel to channelize my ideas into stories, and I hope to take this forward. Thank you.